Hi all, let's do an angel reading for today, which is 29th of July. I've been absent the last couple of days, but let's let's keep up. So we have Archangel Sandalphon, Center and Ground, and we'll read it from the book. Embrace your inner strength and resilience. Embrace the cycle of life, death, and rebirth without fear. We have the moon. I'm just going to pull all the cards and then read from the guidebook. We have the five of cups and eight of swords, ace of swords. Okay, so clearly there's something that you've been missing, and this has obviously caused you emotional turmoil, emotional uh, difficulty managing emotions. There's a lot of darkness that you've had to navigate on your own, and when we have to go through a bad phase by ourselves, and or when we navigate a lot of difficult emotions, it gets almost impossible for us to see beyond the lens of the world being a miserable place. And it's not really easy to navigate challenges in life and find a way to be happy and be a person who is perfect and always happy and always joyful. When we go through trauma, when we go through life, difficult experiences almost, let's say, create a lens of tears and pain that we've been through, and we almost start seeing the world through that lens as we go on and on and on in life. But sometimes when we do that, it blurs our vision in terms of we don't always realize what truly matters, and it sometimes makes it difficult for us to look out for ourselves, to take care of ourselves, to be able to see past the vision, the lens of pain and the trauma and the darkness, and sometimes that keeps us stuck in situations we should not be stuck in. And it's hard to walk away from this pain because it is yours. You have felt it, right? You have known it in your bones, you've known it in your body, you've known it in your soul. But unfortunately, even though this lens makes us wiser as we grow up, it sometimes stops us from expecting beautiful things to happen to us. It sometimes stops us from believing that we do deserve good things, and it sometimes makes us take decisions that are really not in our highest best. It sometimes makes us run away from situations that we should actually be trying to resolve at the very least, and it just changes our entire personality. And I know that's not really a good thing to say. It's not been a good message so far, but clearly you have been through something and it has changed the way you look at life. And instead of trying to resolve issues, you've almost developed a tendency to either freeze and get lost in the pain of it all, or you've learned to run away, run in the opposite direction, or you've learned to make hasty decisions that don't always support your highest best, but you make them anyway to stop your heart from getting hurt again. And I actually pulled these two cards for the outcome, really, and I do see that you don't always see the bigger picture because of the pain that you are in. But the thing is, the pain that you're in today should not be the pain that you stay in for the rest of your life, because you do have a choice. You do have a choice. You do have help available to you. I feel you have a lot of help available to you which you don't always see, which you don't always acknowledge, because sometimes it's easy to get swollen into the misery and lose yourself in it than expect good things to happen to you. But the thing is, everything that is created on earth needs to die. Everything, including the lens of pain and darkness. Sometimes things just are not meant to be, and as painful as it is, they're not meant to stay. It's not really easy letting go of the pain that you have been in for a very, very long time. It's not really easy to look past it. But I'm getting that unless you look past it, you will be stuck in this situation. In whatever situation you're in, you can move from one situation to another, but unless your outlook changes, unless something changes in this mix, you will stay stuck. And you need to hear it right now. It's not that the options are not available to you. It's not that you can never heal. It's not that you can never be stronger. You can never be more resilient. It's not that. And it's not even that resources to change, to be happy, are not available to you. Because you know that's not true. Yeah. The steps that you need to take to get to a better situation are available. They are available. You may not see them because you have your eyes closed. But options are available. And this negativity needs to stop. It needs to stop. You need to stop bothering yourself. You need to stop hurting yourself for getting hurt in the first place, if that makes any sense at all. You need to stop hurting yourself for getting hurt in the first place. It's not doing you any good. It's not doing anyone any good. It's just creating a sequence of events which is eventually going to lead to a very, very painful outcome because you don't let yourself feel happy. You don't listen to your intuition. You don't listen to the guidance. You listen to the pain, you listen to the fear, and you run away. And as cozy as that sounds, as dramatic as that sounds, as comfortable as that sounds, and I know it doesn't sound any of that, you still need to make a choice. You need to make a choice to be happy, to find comfort, to be with people who love you, to share your love with the world. Because I do see that there are people who are willing and happy to help. You may not see them all the time, you may not be actively in touch with them every single day or every single minute of every single day, but help is available. And it may not be available in the form that you would rather have it, but it is available. And you need to say yes. You need to say yes to help in whatever form it makes it to you. Because you need to stop saying no to yourself. Stop saying no to the people who love you. Stop saying no to the energies who love you. Because life is not something that you take for granted. Life is not something that you take lightly. Not many people get to live as happily or as comfortably as you had up until this point. Even if you have been through pain, even if you've been through darkness, you have received your fair share of blessings and you will continue to receive them as time goes on. Yeah. Happiness is available to you provided you stop hurting yourself with pain that is not yours to feel in the first place. You need to stop torturing yourself. You need to stop being in that fear. We have to focus. Yeah. You need to stop isolating from yourself from the rest of the world. You need to stop torturing yourself over things you do not have because you have more things to give. You have enough, even if you don't see it. What you have right now is what you need right now, and when you need more, you will get more. That's been the law of the earth apparently for so long that we have forgotten, because you're just too busy chasing things that we do not yet have, to acknowledge and accept and celebrate what we do have. Whatever you need is available to you. Whatever you will need tomorrow will be made available to you by your guides, and it's okay to want more. It's okay to be upset. It's okay to have desires. It's okay to want more, but it's not okay to torture yourself for it. It's not okay, because it's wasting your time, it's wasting your energy, it's hurting you in the well, and you're not really looking for a way out of the mess that you have gotten yourself involved in, because you know the way out and you have help, but you need to make decisions that would make it happen, that would make impossible possible for you. You need to share the wealth that you do have with others to have more. And you need to stop fighting yourself. You need to stop fighting your heart. You need to stop fighting the world, because whatever you need is available to you. And when you need more, because you need more, you will have more. I feel you're undergoing a lot of changes, and a lot of things need to be cycled out from your energy before you can have more. You need to release what is not working for you, what is not helping you, what is torturing you, so you can attract better outcomes. You can attract the joy that you deserve to feel, that you want to feel, because you have magic on your side. I think we have Archangel Sandalphon also. You have magic on your side. You have Mother Earth on your side. You have angels on your side. But you need to believe in your gifts for them to lead you anywhere. You need to believe in yourself for you to get to anywhere. Yeah, I do see that help is available. Opportunities are available. If they're not right now, they will be soon enough. But you need to stop torturing yourself over things that you do not have, because you have enough. And the more you lie to yourself about what you do not feel, what you do not have, the more you will stay stuck in situations which stop you from attracting what you want. Make the decision to be happy. Happiness is not always something that is given out freely by life to everyone. It's a choice, it's a gift, and it's available. But do you see it? Do you accept it? Do you want it? It's a choice you need to make. You need to say yes to happy opportunities. You need to say yes to new experiences. You need to say yes to the risks that you need to take to attract better opportunities, because unless you do that, you will keep torturing yourself, you will keep getting hurt, you will keep staying stuck. But better opportunities are available to you. You have magic on your side, let's not forget that. But you do need to say yes to better. And you do need to say yes to yourself. Make a list of 10 things that you could do right now to attract better, to have better. Because options are available to you. You don't see it, but they are. And it's time you see them. It's time you accept them. It's time you be happy. So you can share that happiness with the world when the time comes. Because you will get a chance. And you will catch a break if that's what you want. And you will attract whatever you want. But you need to give yourself a chance to be happy. You need to give yourself a chance to explore new opportunities. You need to give yourself a chance to discover. Yeah, these are your messages for the day. Let's connect again tomorrow.